Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn nationalization of banks and important banks in India. So, don't miss this very important topic from Indian economy and banking. Let's start. Indian economy, banking, nationalization of banks. Prime Minister who nationalized banks in India, Indira Gandhi. So, Indira Gandhi is the Prime Minister who nationalized banks in India. Finance Minister during first phase of bank nationalization, Indira Gandhi. First phase of bank nationalization was on 19th July 1969. During that time, our Finance Minister was Indira Gandhi and 14 banks were nationalized in the year 1969. Second time nationalization of banks took place on 15th April 1980 and 6 banks were nationalized in the year 1980, and during that time our finance minister was R. Venkatraman, and in 1980 our prime minister was Indira Gandhi. So totally 20 banks were nationalized, including first phase and second phase of bank nationalization. Now let's see the important banks in India. Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Bharatiya Mahila Bank, established in the year 2013, and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Next is ICICI Bank, started in the year 1994, and ICICI Bank is known as first universal bank in India. The expansion of ICICI is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. The bank that started internet banking is ICICI Bank. And first bank listed in New York Stock Exchange is also ICICI Bank. Now let's see Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank is established in the year 1895 by Lala Lajpat Rai. And we know Lala Lajpat Rai is known as Punjab Kesari. And from that code we can identify that Punjab National Bank is started by Lala Lajpat Rai, and it was in the year 1895. And the headquarters of Punjab National Bank is in New Delhi. And Punjab National Bank is the first bank that started voluntary retirement scheme. It is known as VRS. Now let's see about NABARD. NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. That is the expansion of NABARD. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and it started in the year 1982 on July 12th. The committee recommended for the establishment of NABARD was B. Shivaraman Committee. Next, let's see about HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank started in the year 1994, and its headquarters is in Mumbai. HDFC is Housing Development Finance Corporation. So the expansion of HDFC is Housing Development Finance Corporation. First bank to start online banking in India. So HDFC is the first bank to start online banking in India. Next, let's see about HSBC Bank. HSBC is Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. The expansion of HSBC is Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. And its headquarters is in London, and its headquarters is in India is Mumbai. First bank started ATM in India. HSBC Bank is the first bank that started ATM in India. And the ATM was started in the year 1987 in Mumbai. Now, let's see about Exim Bank. Exim Bank started in the year 1982 and its headquarters is in Mumbai. And Exim Bank is related to foreign trade because it is Export and Import Bank of India. Exim, the expansion is Export and Import Bank of India. Next is IDBI. IDBI is Industrial Development Bank. Its expansion is Industrial Development Bank and it was started in the year 1964. Headquarters is in Mumbai. It gives financial assistance to industries. From the name itself, we can identify that Industrial Development Bank. So it gives financial assistance to industries and it formed in the year 1964. Next is SIDBI, that is Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI expansion is Small Industries Development Bank of India and it was started in the year 1990. Headquarters is in Lucknow. It gives financial support to small industries. This Small Industries Development Bank. Next, let's see about IFCI. IFCI is Infrastructure Development Finance Company. So, Infrastructure Development Finance Company, that is IFCI, started in the year 1948 and its headquarters is in New Delhi. It provides assistance to large and medium companies, both in public and in private sectors. So, this IFCI provide help to large and medium companies, that is both in private and public sectors. Next is IDFC Bank. IDFC is Infrastructure Development Finance Company. So, expansion of IDFC is Infrastructure Development Finance Company and it was started in the year 2015, October 1st. And its headquarters is in Mumbai. Next is Mudra Bank. Mudra Bank is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank. So, Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank is Mudra Bank and it was started in the year 2015 on April 8. It gives financial support to small industries. Mudra Bank is the bank that gives financial support to small industries. Next is RRB. RRB means Regional Rural Bank. It was started in the year 1975. And the first Regional Rural Bank started in Moradabad. It is a place in Uttar Pradesh. First RRB started in Moradabad and Moradabad is in Uttar Pradesh. Narasimham Committee and Regional Rural Bank established as on the recommendation of Narasimham Committee. And most RRBs are in Uttar Pradesh. Most number of regional rural bank is present in Uttar Pradesh. Goa and Sikkim, no RRBs. So there is no RRBs in Goa and Sikkim. Largest RRB in Kerala, Kerala Grameen Bank. So largest RRB in India is Kerala Grameen Bank. Now let's see about payment banks. Payment banks, it was launched according to the recommendation of Nachiket More Committee. Nachiket More Committee recommended for payment banks. And first payment bank services started by Airtel, and it was in Rajasthan. So first payment bank services started by Airtel company, and it was in Rajasthan. And Paytm was the first payment bank that launched physical debit card system. So first physical debit card system launched by Paytm. Paytm recently launched physical debit card system. That's all about today's topic. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you.